Now, a coronavirus pandemic update. More than 300,000 people have now died from the illness worldwide, nearly 86,000 in the U.S. On the Gulf Coast, Mississippi has 10,483 cases, 480 deaths. Alabama now over 11,000 cases with 473 deaths. Florida at 43,000 plus cases and 1,875 deaths.
Coronavirus sent Alabama into online learning in March for the rest of the school year. Now, the beginning of the new year later this summer could be delayed if the state superintendent has his way. News 5's Cherish Lombard joins us live from her home to tell us what changes students and parents may expect in this next school year. Cherish?
Well, this is something on parents and students' minds across the board. Alabama Superintendent Dr. Derek Mackey says he would like to see public schools back in session closer to the end of August rather than the beginning. In a Twitter post earlier today, he said Alabama has been chosen as one of 6 states to provide a roadmap as a national model for when students should return to school. COVID-19 brought the country to a screeching halt. For many students and parents, the biggest change was school. Dr. Mackey says the Department of Education is preparing for more twists and turns. Right now, a group is working on a 2021 school year roadmap that's scheduled to be released on June 19th. Dr. Mackey says he would like to see students start school on a date later than planned.
Just gives you a little more time. And if you think, well, hey, we're going to start back to school on August 1st, and the roadmap comes out on June 19th, you literally have about 5 weeks to get all your plan in place. If you're looking at starting later in August, then you might give yourself 8 or 9 weeks to start, and that's why we've asked them to consider it.
The roadmap will address curriculum, community engagement, special education, and mental health.
Many students, not all of them, are going to return to school with some trauma because of the stress that's been placed on them and on their families during this prolonged time.
State school officials are also seeking guidance from the Department of Public Health about what to do if a student tests positive for coronavirus.
What would be our first step, second step, third step in hoping that we can mitigate the spread, but also that we can do contact tracing in an orderly fashion, that we can maintain HIPAA requirements.
Dr. Mackey says it's likely there will be limitations on activities next year, including the possible cancellation of out-of-state field trips and maybe even some sporting events.
No determinations have been made, certainly about championship play. Our hope is that we will not interrupt our championships and they will move forward.
School visitor policies could also change.
One of the things that we're looking at and talking with other states about is if you have visitors on campus, do you require them to, say, wash their hands or use hand sanitizer before they actually enter the building?
Dr. Mackey says this pandemic highlights the importance of students being able to learn at school. And we reached out to our local school district officials. A statement regarding Mobile County schools reads, quote, "We are concentrating now on ending our school year. We have several contingency plans in mind for the start of the 2021 school year, but that depends on whatever guidance we receive from the governor, our state health officials, and the state superintendent. We will work closely with them on our reopening plan and will announce our plan as soon as we can." Now, this is the statement we received regarding Baldwin County. "We are 100% focused on the now and wouldn't have anything to share other than speculation. We are preparing to end the school year and finalize our graduation plans, and we hope to share those with you shortly." We're also told the hope there is to release the graduation plans by Memorial Day. Cherish Lombard, WKRG News 5.